We have an issue. There's too much snow. You need some room to move around. Ladies, there are a few people concerned about your well-being, which I do appreciate. So, what we need to do is get you some more room. First, we need to kick a bunch of your bedding back in. So now, you can stand on your bedding while you eat. Hi, Petunia. Hey, baby. Penelope. Again, lost a little bit of weight. Starting to warm up. We'll get you fattened back up, all right? I'll be real gentle so I don't scare you, okay? Attention, ladies, attention. I will be making noise. Making noise. Okay. Good girls. Sometimes you just gotta go with the metal shovel. There you go, girls. I know several of you were worried. I'm not sure if you can tell from this angle, but this still has inches to go. There are about 8 inches in this nest box, or in this house. We come over here, we're not even down to the ground yet. Still have a couple of inches to go of bedding. Every night, they snuggle up in this bedding, and they keep themselves warm through body heat and everything like that. So we'll push a little bit more in there. You got a little bit of room to run around. What do you think, Petunia? You're not Petunia. What do you think, Penelope? You like it? You happy?